The perimeter of a rectangle is 66 centimeters. The width is half the length. Find the dimensions. Here we're only given the perimeter. We know that the perimeter is 66 centimeters. We do not know the length, neither do we know the width. But one thing we know is that the width is half the length. We know that, right? So if the width is half the length, let's use our algebra. We've done algebra, right? If you have not seen the videos, please check in the playlist. Introduction to algebra. Okay, so let's say the width is x, and then the length is twice the width, because we know that the width is half of the length. So that means the length will be twice of this, double of this, all right? So that will be 2x. And if you look at this, x is half of 2x, right? So divide this by 2, you should have x. All right. So now we recall the formula for calculating perimeter. We know that perimeter is equals to 2 times length plus width. So I'll just rearrange this, bring this to the left hand side. Okay, so I could just take this off and say is equals to perimeter. Okay, so that we can substitute easily and solve. Okay, so I have 2 times length is 2x, width is x, right? Okay, and then we know the perimeter to be 66 centimeters. All right, so 2x plus x, we have to clear the bracket first. 2x plus x, that's 3x. Did you say 2x squared? No. This is 1x, right? So 2x plus 1x, that's 3x. So we multiply that, that's 3x, equals 66. So 2 times 3x is 6x, equals 66. So at this point, what do? We divide both sides by the coefficient of x, so that we have 1x on this side. So let's divide this by 6 and divide by 6. Okay, so that means x equals to 6 takes 6, you have only x, and then 66 divided by 6, that is 11. All right, centimeters. So that's the width. That is the width. The width is x, which is 11 centimeters. The other dimension is the length. We know the length is 2x, so that will be 2 times 11 centimeters, and that will be 22 centimeters. All right, so the length is 22 centimeters and the width is 11 centimeters, and we can check that to see if it will give us the perimeter of 66. Obviously it will. Okay, but we could just check. So if this is 22, 11, this will also be 22, 11. So 22 plus 11 is 33. 33 plus 22 is 55. 55 plus 11 is 66. Checked. That means we're correct. All right, you need to go over this procedure and then practice it. Okay, but if you have any question, I'm always here. Thank you. Bye.